Time don't reach. But we go really show ourselves waiting God don't give us. Happy Sunday, friends. Today, this evening, you know where I did here? I come river. Yes, this is where I am. You see me? I came to the river this evening to relax myself. I don't leave bush. I come for river. I want to relax myself. Do one or two things for this river where I will take entire zona. You understand, ba? The thing too tight. No vex, why I release and small. Because even them shaggy they do one like this, nothing they happen. Not have it. So as I was saying, I came to this place with several things. They chose the one only would do my thing now. I say ants enter me. As I was saying, I get so many things to show you today here. I came with several things. I came with gari. This is a 1.5 cup of gari. I won't come sip am for river here. So make una wait, make una wash. And I come with another thing here. This package, later I go losing them. So that in fact, make I begin losing them so that you will see the package where I take come. The reason why I come for this river now, I take the tail on us too. This gari where you see me I carry here, so then this other thing, so wait. Yes. Scissors. I have one or two things here again while I fold. I'll show you another thing. Hey. I think with this. This is Litona Comba. As I know the fit shop, people can't give me advice. They make I go take appetizer or take several things that will make me shop. So as I don't take them yesterday, but you know they me well when I go see say even my post don't reduce more. When I make me I say make I go tell my colleague, Pastor Begbe, make him just give me Litona Comba. Now I just say make I come. But I hope the person know they come. This one forget about the video, so wetin make me follow come here so now because say I be no just one make it be like say the appetite what I get as a be. Yeah. Now Litona Comba. I'm good.